If you have a timeline that you think you or your colleagues are going to reuse at some point in the future, you might want to turn it into a custom template that can significantly speed up the creation of future visuals. In this video, we're going to go over how you can create a custom template, share a custom template, and rename or delete a custom template. Before we start, however, you might want to check out the video on the fundamentals of how to use templates to speed up your workflow. Also, make sure that the edition of Office Timeline you are using has access to custom templates. Now let's see how you can create a custom template. First, make sure that you're on the slide with the timeline you want to turn into a template, then go to the Office Timeline ribbon, click on Templates. Select Save Current Timeline as Template, and give it a name. Once that's done, you can find your template by going back to the Office Timeline ribbon and clicking on New. Your custom template will be visible in the middle of the window. Next, we'll talk about how you can share a custom template with your colleagues. First, let's create a timeline slide in PowerPoint out of our template. To do that, go to the Office Timeline ribbon, click on New, double-click on the custom template you want to share, click Create Timeline, and then hit Create. Office Timeline will now create a new timeline slide based on the selected custom template. Now, go back to the Office Timeline ribbon and click on the small arrow under Share. Select Send Email, and then PowerPoint Slide as Attachment to send your timeline as a PowerPoint file over email. After your colleagues receive that email, instruct them to open the PowerPoint file, go to the Office Timeline ribbon, click on Templates, and select Save Current Timeline as Template. They will be able to see their newly saved template by clicking the New button. Finally, to rename or delete a custom template, all you have to do is go to the Office Timeline ribbon, click on New to see the custom templates you have saved, and right-click on the one you want to rename or delete, then choose the corresponding option from the list. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.